Okay, the reason for me to journal and to document the trades that I took, it's not because to brag something that I have earned this much or something that I have earned for the week, but to tell you the reality of Forex. Sad to say, like every other gurus out there, what they are trying to show is only the trades that are good, but behind that, or the process of getting that good trades are not being shown. So my motive is for you aspiring also want to learn like me. The motive is for you to learn from it and for you to understand that Forex is a business that you have to treat it as it is, not as gambling or not as pure luck, but as a skill that you need to learn. So again, I'm not gonna brag about, because I have nothing to brag about. If you're gonna compare my result to professional traders, it is nothing. Really, trust me, it is nothing. But then again, I am so blessed. Why? Because the conversion of dollars compared to Philippine peso is 50. So if I just earn a little bit of dollars, and that will be times 50 more in my country. Aside from that, laws about Forex here in the Philippines are not yet that, meaning to say I have no tax, no? And for the person like me, which I didn't finish college, I'm not a career, I didn't finish any course at college. I'm just a college level, and the competition for career on the Philippines is so hard, and that is why I give Forex a chance. Why? It's because it's where I see the potential of earning and getting the amount that I want, like what I'm going to show you after this video. It's the comparison of being an employee here in the Philippines and being a Forex trader here in the Philippines. See, I'm not discouraging you to quit your job or something else, but rather I'm encouraging you to engage with Forex. For the reason, the potential is really high, given that you have to understand the risk and the amount of time you have to give to develop your skills. So again, this is Uling Cyril, and I'm here just to encourage you. I'm here not to recruit you. I'm here for the reason of knowledge, for the reason for guidance to those who want to be in this trading business. So that's it. I'm gonna show you my journal as I have promised. I have posted on my Facebook. I'm gonna document one of the account. Actually, this is the account of my father, which is I am now currently trading it. So this is the account that I want to show you, and for you to know how much do I really earn for a week. See, what are the risks, what are the mistakes that I did. So this is particularly a journal and a computation also in reaching my goal in 1 year. Actually, my goal for this account is $500,000. Yeah, you might say, no? That's something, whoa, that's so big. No, really, I could prove it to you that you could get that one. I have the computation already. But then again, that's the goal. And can I possibly hit that goal? Yes, I could. And can I possibly not hit that one? Of course, I also do. And because of the experience that I put on this trading, so I could see, I have confidence that I could really hit this mark. What I want you to see is the transparency, the everyday life, the everyday scenario, the losing, the winning, how I win, how I lose, the everyday scenario, which is very transparent, so that you could see what really is the life of a trader. So let's go now for the computation of my goal and how I'm gonna reach $500,000 for a year. And we will go also undergo my journal, what went wrong. So this is a very important also topic, and very important things that you need to learn when you are going to trade. Thank you.